Wire nails are described as an element because it is a pure substance. It is only one type of atom which can be found along with all other elements in the periodic table. It is different from a compound because compound contains two or more elements within them.
Salt. Salt is a compound because it is made from more than one kind of element, which is sodium and chlorine.
An alcohol is a compound because it has a substance named isopropyl, which belongs to the class of organic compounds known as secondary alcohols. It differs from an element because element consists of a single type of atom.
Chalk is a compound with the chemical formula CaCO subscript 3. It is a common substance found as rock in all parts of the world and is the main component of shells of marine organisms, snails, and eggshells.
Aluminum foil is only made up of aluminum atoms itself. It has a formula Al, that's why it is an element, not compound.
Add 3 tablespoons of water. Then, add a pinch of salt. Mix thoroughly so that we will be able to indicate if the mixture is heterogeneous or homogeneous. This mixture is a homogeneous mixture because the composition is uniform throughout the mixture.
First, put a pinch of chalk. Then, put 3 tablespoons of water. And then mix well. As you can see, our mixture is heterogeneous because there are 2 phases.
Add the sand, then add the body powder. Mix them together. As you can see, the mixture is heterogeneous since they don't have the same properties, composition, and appearance throughout the mixture.
First, add a tablespoon of oil into a glass. And then add a spoonful of water. Then mix it so you can identify if the mixture is homogeneous or heterogeneous. In the result, it forms 2 phases. The oil is in the first layer and the water is in the second layer. It is a heterogeneous mixture because the substances distributed unevenly.
The separation technique that we are going to use is evaporation. Get your salt and water mixture and pour it on a heated pot. As you can see, the mixture is now separated. The water is now evaporated and the white residue is the salt.
Now we are going to separate the compound of the chalk through filtration. We have here the remnants of the chalk and the clean water after being filtrated.
In this experiment, the separation technique that we are going to use is sifting. Get the sand powder mixture and sift it carefully. Now, the sand is separated from the powder.
In this experiment, use a decantation technique. Now the oil is separated from the water.